Hey guys, today I'm going to be running you through just a brief tutorial on how to set up an instance, mainly WordPress on this tutorial, through Amazon Lightsail. So it came out, I think November 30th, they announced it, and it's pretty nifty. I mean, it's a competitor to DigitalOcean, which, it is what it is in the world of technology, but I've been using DigitalOcean for about 3 years now. They've been great. I have no issues, no downtime, and I've been steady with them for about 3 years now. But Amazon came along and then wants to step their foot in the water and try to dip their hands in some of that money that's available. The good thing about DigitalOcean is that they cater to developers because that's what I used it for. I think that's what mainly a lot of people use it for, is just quick servers spun up, test instances, or just different like quick applications that you want. When I was creating in Django, I would spin up a quick Python server and then just test some application. If it worked, great. Then I would migrate everything over to AWS and set it up accordingly to the specs that I needed. But here we are, and it's pretty nice interface, pretty clean, like everything else Amazon usually does. But okay, let's go ahead and get started. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on create an instance. That's once you sign up at amazonlightsail.com. Once you sign up, you'll get taken here. So if you don't see this screen, it's because you're not signed up and logged in, which is, of course, what you need to do first. So you're going to hit create an instance. You're going to see different apps, just like Google Cloud, just like DigitalOcean, just like AWS. They're going to have their own one click, bam, you got everything installed for what you need. So we're going to stick with WordPress for today. We're not going to add any shell script. We don't need that for this. What we are going to do is we are going to create an Ssh Key Pair. You really only need this per, well, I only use one. You can use it for whatever, but I like to just keep one per device. So I'm going to create one for this laptop. Let's just call it MacBook, just so I know what key this is going to generate. Download it, and I'll save that so I can SFTP or SSH from my laptop instead of through their console if I so needed to. But then you have different instance plans, which pretty basic, increment 10, then it doubles again. But they are offering a first month free, which is nice. So that's obviously to get people using it, because everybody likes free, quote unquote, stuff. So we're gonna stick with this. We're gonna name this one just WP. Let's call it YouTube. Alright, it takes about, I would say, just give it a good 5 minutes. It'll say starting up after about a minute, but it still needs some time to load the configurations and get done installing all the processes and everything else. So I'm not going to bore you to death for the next 5 minutes while this is loading. So we will come back to this when it is complete, and I will continue on. Oh, look, it says running already, although it's not. And as you see really quick, we can connect to it. And it's not going to connect because it's not finished loading yet. So I guess actually in the meantime, what I can do is just, since it's started out, I was actually faster than a minute, I think, which is faster than DigitalOcean, I will say. But if you click on the instance, you have different tabs. Metrics, see how you're doing. Networking. The cool thing I like about this is that you can create a static IP address if you wanted to, which is nice. I think, I mean, I don't know if DigitalOcean allows that. I'm pretty sure they don't, because I've never seen this. Although I don't know if everything they have there is set statically or not. But anyways, I thought that was pretty cool. And the one thing I do like is the firewalls. You can add different services to be open or closed, different ports, which DO did not allow. Snapshots, same thing. Create snapshots, history, or delete your instance. Now, I guess for WordPress, you can make backups of WordPress through a snapshot or a backup through like a plugin. But the one thing about DigitalOcean I did like is that you can do a little differently. Is you can create backups, not just a snapshot, but it's actual like interval weekly backups of your servers. So I thought that was pretty cool. I guess more or less it's like a snapshot, but it does it for you. You don't have to go in there and actually create a snapshot. So it's like an automatic backup, which is nice. So let's see if this is finished yet. I really doubt it is. Yeah, it's not. Alright, so we'll be back to continue where we left off. Hey guys, well here it is. It finally finished loading. You know, just another WordPress site, of course. So now that we got this thing up and running, what we're going to do is you're going to start on this page like I left off. We're going to click into it, connect using SSH, and what we're going to do is we're going to grab the password to log into the WordPress site. It creates automatic password. That way, you know, there's no default. It doesn't default with no password or just password. It has to have some sort of security. So in order to get that password, we're going to type in cat bitnami application password. The password is right here, so you're going to copy it. We're going to go to the blog IP or WordPress IP, do /wp-admin. The default username is user. Then we're going to paste the password in, and we're going to log in. And that's it. Now you have a WordPress site on Amazon Lightsail. So pretty simple, nothing too hard to do. It's actually made for ease and quickness of server deployments, really is what it's for. So anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave comments. I will be doing more on Lightsail as they expand and progress. But for now, it's pretty basic stuff. So like the video, subscribe, keep up. We do giveaways quite often from different donations or different things that we receive. So just keep up with us. Thanks for watching.